1969, Ford Motor Company began production on one of the most legendary and sought-after vehicles to ever leave the factory. But amongst the batch of these vehicles that would later fetch over $300,000 in today's market was a one-of-a-kind vehicle that hasn't been seen for decades. Today, we'll be taking a look at this 1/18 scale Mustang Boss 429 finished in Silver Jade metallic. Now, this model is produced by Supercar Collectibles and is limited to just 429 models and is based off of the real Boss 429 that was a one-off production for the 1969 model year. I want to give a special shout out to our lead writer Diego Rosenberg for allowing us to take a look at his model today and show it off to everyone. My first impressions of this model are extremely positive, and I have to say the quality and details on this car have exceeded my expectations. The paint on the outside is beautiful with lots of flake, and from what I can tell it has no blemishes or bleeds. The interior of the car looks fantastic. There's a lot of detail on the dashboard of the car, the center console, and the seats. One thing that I find to be a really nice touch is the seat belts in the car are actually made of a cloth material, which you tend to find on some higher end models at a similar price point. Now, I know that I mentioned that the actual 1969 Ford Mustang that this model is based off of is rare, and I briefly want to dive into some of the history on that actual car. Between the years of 1969 and 1970, the Ford Motor Company plant in Dearborn, Michigan was working on the production of the iconic Boss 429 Mustang. During its production run, a total of 10 colors were available on the Boss 429, and out of those 10, only 5 were available in 1969 and the other 5 available in 1970. While there were only 10 colors available for the Boss 429, there were actually 2 vehicles produced in non-standard colors, one being our 1969 Ford Mustang that was produced in Silver Jade metallic, and the other being a 1970 Boss 429 produced in solitary red. While a lot of information is unknown about these vehicles or where their whereabouts are today, I hope that in the coming years we soon find out where these vehicles are and if they've been restored or if there's other information pertaining to those particular builds. Now that you have a little more backstory on the rarity of this Silver Jade metallic Boss 429, I hope that you're able to check out this model for yourself. Just remember, they are limited to 429 produced, so they might be a little bit hard to come by. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Collectible Corner. Maybe drop a comment down below and let us know where you think that the real Mustang Boss 429 has ended up after all these years. And as always, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos just like this one.